Joujangtek ke ambush laikidraba Wilson Thanga hatpada January-ba miyoi sing chayol amagi manungda puthoktrabadi mahaki Hakchang Loukhiroi amadi hongjang kaya susang silakpa yai haina Chiru Union Manipur ki President Naichung Chiruna phongdorakli wafam asi Jenims ki Miral Sangda Wilson ki thawai yaugdraba Hakchang ngasi postmortem tawbaga mari lenena paumi singa unaba amada mahakna phongdokhibani Naichung Chiruna makatana phongdokhibada laikidraba Wilson amadi shoktuna leiriba miyoi ani asi nongmagi shuraga chajaba ngaktani micham singda terrorist ki thawong chathaраklaga laingak na tumin na leishin ba haibasi achumba oiroi maramaduna terrorist ki thawong chatharakliba singi chayol amagi manungda akanba action lokatuna mihatpa puthokadabani madu natrabadi asiba Hakchang Loukhiroi maramaduna chatnabi gi thawram mapung fana pangthokpa yananabagi damak laingak na matik chaba thabak paikhat piyu laikhitraba Wilson gi machanupi anida makoi gi qualification ga chanaba thabak hapa yauna ex gracier su pigedabani Chiru hairiba furup asi mishing yambana te haibigi matik laingakna nathaiba tawbiganu mamangda Chiru gi miyoi ama laikhidaba matamda hanagi chief minister Nongthongbam Birena imung manung gi miyoi amada thabak hapigani hairamlaga ngasi fawba hapidana leiri ngarang thokiba thodok aduda laingakna matik chaba thabak lokalaktaba thoklabadi lamdamasa leiriba CSO singa punna paikhat fam thokpa thabak sing paikhat kani haina mahakna phongdokhi
Habak suraga charga hingjaban nipasi adum sikre aduga anina sukre aduna ai Chiru president ama oina aina pambasi tasengna ikoi sarkar sina karino ikoi Manipur gi law and order karino chingda tauribasi kanano maduda tauriba thodok thokhaliba perpetrator se ikoi puthuk piu hapta ama numit mari mangani manung sida mase puthok taradi aikoi asiba Hakchang se ikoi Loukhiroi aduga government na tasengna matik chaba ikoi custom gi oiba thoram pareng pangthok pa yaba aduga ex gracia aduga machani pa ani laibasida matik chaba 12 pass tauba BA tamba leirabani masida matik chaba thabak ama asi pibiu haibasi ai tasengna union gi president ama oina aina appeal tawi demand asi pidragadi organization kaya ama CSO ga tied up tawnaraga ekoina pangthokpa yaba akanba khongjang ama sum pangthokani
Amaromda laikidraba Wilson Thanga gi imung manungna thengna horiba awabada su saruk yaba Home Minister Govindas Konthokjamna luchingba MLA gi kangbu amasu Jenims ki Miral Sangdalaki kongchat aduga mari lenena Minister Govindas Konthokjamna paumi singda hai mihat mipun gi thodok thokhalliba sing athubada fananaba lengangna akanba maongda hotnari state asida hojik oiriba fiba masigi matangda ngarang chief minister na mayai tangbal lauraga tongan ba security force ki makok tongba officer sing yauna security review mifam ama famduna kupna khanaki haina mahakna phongdoki ngarangi thodok adu NIA da sinagadra haina paumi singna hangba wahangi paukhum piraduna mahakna makhata na hai hojik maki oina NIA da sinabagi matangda lengakna warep loba leitri ngarangi thodok adu thokraba matung nakalani maki apunba miyoi Kuntraga nipan rom hena fajilaga thamle haibigi paulei hojik fawbada Phajinkhiba micham sing thadorakpa leitri masigi matangda Union Home Minister dasu Khanghankhre leire lorena Phajinkhiba sing thadorakna ba lengakna hotnari haina mahakna makataki
We should also at least love like we love our life. So others also should love the others' life. How long we will go on like this? It is highly condemnable and we will try to make the public address as soon as possible. The government has not taken any decision on it, and yesterday also under the chairmanship of Honorable Chief Minister, we had a security meeting with all the central paramilitary forces in the state, and we'll take a call very soon and we'll let media person to know. Hojik phawbada civilian sing thadokri adu thadok nanaba kanna koi CSO sing aduga akoi political leaders sing ga khana ne basira bataunari. Even we have apprised the Minister of Home Affairs to IB. We are taking care of all those areas. Total more than 38 voter community, and we need to restrain. We need to shun the violence. So there, I don't know what happened. We have got a very, suspicious in our mind that there are some people who doesn't want Manipur to return into peace and take the part of progress. So we have to find it out.
Amaromda khongchat adu yaurakiba tamai ACG MLA awangbo niumaina hai hojik thokliba irang asida furup amaga yengthina dana yengthinadaba leingakna angamba thakta hotnarabasu nungaitaba thodok adumak thokli asigumba thodok asina mangjariba asi awaba nangliba micham miyamdani miyamgi luchingba ama oina tawfam thokpa thabak pangthokani amaromda haujik fajilaga thamliba micham sing thadoraknana ba CSO amadi leingaki maikaidagi appeal tawba laikre micham miyam adu athubada tekta kaitana thadokpira haiki Amaromda Kamjong district thokiba thodok adu mafam adugi miyamna fongdok rakpada khulai paiba singna borderland silaklaga chatharakpa oiba maramna madu external aggression oina logani hainasu mahakna fongdoki
Public ke awabsi pungani responsibility government amawe government is to come to lebak thibadi thohanin daba thoktanaba yam marum hona record legacy adu thoktuna legacy lebak thibadi miyam di tumata community amama gi wasna sibana ba thokwa violence habse de loina mangjaba khat aduna akhoi leaders ama oina so khoi tokom thokko togni moru oibadi public miyam se bhap tapon community amana blame tobana roi asina solution pura ka dabusna community amama wurbusi siguma civilian say innocent public singati din to fasidi chumde aduna mayam na bahta minaraga public mayam changya haraga si innocent lives sing release tona save tona ba rescue tona ba na sian kana ba manipur da paliba prajapuna ma akhoi bahta minaraga nungsina ba uraktri phobati amana mabo yengchiba amana mabo suspect tawduna legad sigumba Bodok si Loy Bana. Mga kadawde ko public. Ado public bahap tapon.